to my channel. How's it going? I hope you are all doing well. Today is a very exciting day. It's Roccabox time. However, this is not a box. This is a packet and I don't know what's going on. Roccabox, for those of you that don't know, is a beauty subscription box. It's monthly. It's £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging. You can do it on a single month contract, so it's £10 a month. You can do a 6-month contract for £54 plus postage and packaging, or you can do a 12-month for £102. 6 months will save you £6 and a year's supply will save you £18. I was very lucky to win a giveaway recently, so I've got a 6-month subscription to Roccabox. So let's just get in this bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. That just doesn't want to rip. It's not having it. What are you then? Oh, it's a bag. That's exciting. Oh, look. It just says, look at that. Roccabox. That looks really cool. I don't know who that is, but she looks really cool. Oh, I'm gonna get the little thing out. So, it says, ladies, isn't it time for a holiday? Mine's not till September, although I am going camping in July. That is not going to be a holiday because it's camping with toddlers. Anyway, we think so. That's why this month we put together a box that is chock full of travel essentials we're taking on holiday must-haves that are totally worth their weight in luggage costs. No matter what stage you're currently at in planning your next vacay, we've got you covered. Whether you're just about to easy jet off to sunnier climes, are still trying to get your Marbs 18 WhatsApp group organised, or you've not yet quite finished stalking in to decide your next jet set destination, now is the time to start your holiday beauty edit. The Roccabox team aren't shy to admit that holidays are a second love in life, after beauty of course, so we're well versed in putting together a collection of products that are perfect for travelling with, essential in hotter weather, and designed with wanderlust in mind. Oh, and we've only gone and thrown in a gorgeous Chelsea Prince cosmetics bag, so that's what this beautiful bag is. And then it's just got the products, so I'm just going to grab things. The first thing I've got is a Zui organic. Oh, it's another tanner. I'm scared and excited. It's a self tanner. It's Zui. Never heard of this brand before, but I'm a little bit scared of fake tan. This says, this is vegan. And on here it says, a full-size one is $35.95. Also, it's not going to be a dodgy one. I'm so scared of fake tan that I'm going to end up orange. But if it's expensive ones are generally easier to use, I've heard. Fake tan is a holiday must-have, both during your holiday and after. During your holiday, a hint of tan gives you confidence, glow, and not to mention a little more beach body confidence. After your holidays, if you spent a weekend in Brighton, you look like you've actually returned from a fortnight in Barbados. Lightweight and super hydrating, giving you enough golden glow to get you through a week in a bikini. This is our current summer holiday tanning essential. I've actually got a Saint-Tropez tan as well, and I think I'm going to do one leg with this and one leg with that on a video, and we'll see which is better, which is idiot proof, and which doesn't make me have David Dickinson hands or legs. So yeah, that's a mousse. I'm excited to try that. Next up, we have got a Temple Spa Peace Be Still Calming Skin Balm. It looks super posh. How are you? Don't rely on your hotel body cream post shower. If you spend all day in the sun, your skin needs a little more nourishment and TLC than that. Calming balm will help settle sensitive or irritated skin, leaving it feeling silky soft. Ooh. It absorbs easily. That sounds nice. Ooh. Just gonna put a little bit. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells really nice. Aromatherapy and skincare in one with a fusion of relaxing Mediterranean essential oils. Ooh. That is. Oh, that smells so lovely. And that's just gone. That's really easily absorbed. That's nice because I don't like creams that you just rub for ages. Right, next up, I've got a Tropica Skin Coconut Cleansing Oil with olive oil. An uplifting fusion of oils, perfect for everyday use. Ooh. Oh, the Temple Spa is £6.50. I don't know if it's full size or not. I don't know, I'll have to check. I'll put it all in the description box down below. This one is Where is it? Why can't I see this? Oh, it's here. Idiot. It can be tempting when packing just to throw in a packet of cleansing wipes in your suitcase, but if you truly take care of your skin, take a proper cleanser away, all that sun cream, sweat and bronzing powder is a recipe for a breakout disaster if you don't remove it effectively. So it's just a cleansing oil. That's really nice. I'm actually going to save that for my holiday, I think, because it's a really good travel size. And that will do me for a week. So I'm so excited to try this. I'm just going to... Oh, it smells lovely. It smells really, really nice. Ooh, I will obviously try it before I go to make sure I don't have a reaction to it. But yes. Right, next up we've got something from Anatomicals. I love Anatomicals. They are amazing. And this is a Sud the Lot of You Get Lost Grime Body Cleanser. I love the names of their things. This says the world stinks, I don't. Marvellous mango and papaya. Cleanse away the day's chlorine, sea salt, sweat and sun cream with a subtle fragrance body wash. The scent is yummy, enough to forego any perfume so you can leave your heavy bottles at home. And that's just a little sample sachet. That's really cool. Like that. Next up. What is this? Oh, it's another Anatomicals. It's a toothbrush. Oh. And it says, don't rely on those tiny ineffective toothbrushes the hotels provide. They're utterly useless. Instead, take this charcoal packed brush. Yes, we said charcoal packed, known for its heaps of beautifying benefits. Charcoal is blended in each bristle of this toothbrush, resulting in a powerful deodorizing effect to remove plaque, fight bad breath and prevent harmful bacteria. That's so cool. These are £4.50 if I can get it out. Oh, the Anatomicals is a bonus product. The little sachet. Look at this. Oh, that feels nice. That's so cool. I use charcoal toothpaste, so I'll definitely be interested to see what a charcoal toothbrush does. That's really cool. And then my final item, well, I've got the bag, obviously. This is the bag, and these are £10. Is it £10? Yeah, these are £10. And I have got some discount codes which I will put down below for you guys. And then finally I've got a Boohoo Aurora highlighter drops. This is £6. I think this is a full size. Look at that. Ooh, I love anything holographic. I'm just going to rip it open because I can't bother to peel it. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. This says, now, our favourite fashion brand has gone and produced our makeup bag's latest must-have. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. Yes. Yeah, let's get back to reading it. Favourite fashion brand Boohoo has gone and produced our makeup bag's latest must-have. These super versatile drops can be applied straight to the cheekbones to create a dramatic bone-enhancing sheen, or can be diluted in foundation, primer or moisturiser to create an all-over lit from within glow. Ooh, that's really cool. And then it also says, who doesn't love a Boohoo shopping binge? We know we do. So use the code ROCCA20 for an exclusive 20% off at Boohoo. And that expires on the 1st of July. So it's 20% off Boohoo if you want it, which I do. These would be really nice as well for like collarbones and for your shoulder. Just get a makeup brush and just be like, or just do it with your fingers, whatever you fancy. But that's really, really pretty. And it's dried really nicely. It's not like sticky or anything. I'm super happy with that. That was awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy. There's like literally nothing that I'm not going to use. I'm going to use everything. I'm excited to try the tan and see how... It's medium as well. I'd probably go with a light if it was me, but this is what I've got, so I'm gonna do it. So look out for a video where I'm gonna have 2 tanned legs, different tans, probably gonna be different colours, but that's happening. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.